This video game story here, NBA 2K21.
Yeah.
You remember we were just watching this a moment ago.
Yeah, if I can actually load it.
Yeah, you can't load anything.
I'll have to find it.
This is PlayStation 5 versus PlayStation 4 comparisons, showing a massive leap in visuals, and it's a real one-to-one comparison. This video was by B-Ball Creator 2K. And he does a nice kind of A-B within the video of PS4 versus PS5, and does a split screen, and it's just a really nice comparison to the capabilities of the two different systems. And of course, Will's scrambling around here looking for this video. I could Slack it to you. Or you could just search the guy, B-Ball Creator 2K. There he is. You got him right at the top there. It's got to be his most watched video. It's 1 minute and 20 seconds. Oh, wow. He does this all the time. There it is. 108,000 views one day ago. Next gen graphics comparison. Yeah, you got it. So people have been, people are curious. What is my life going to look like? How's it going to improve if I get a next gen console, if I get a PlayStation 5? And so this guy, he put them head to head. He split the screen, and you can see, obviously you have way more resolution to work with. So the sharpness of the image, the detail of the image is, substantially improved.
The animations as well.
But the key difference is actually reflections and light.
Ray tracing.
There you go. Like, look at this on the court. You can see the overhead lights. On the previous one, you have none of it. You have some shadows. You have none of it.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, that's impressive.
And the same thing goes when there's like a reflection on the skin. Look at like on his forehead and nose, he's a little bit sweaty. Mm-hmm. It looks so different and much more realistic. And you don't even realize on these old games what you're missing. And then you see it and you realize, oh, that's right. They didn't have the right shimmer.
Yes. A lot of it comes from lighting.
For sure.
Lighting, yeah. And
the realism of something is lighting, reflections, shadows, dark spots, highlights.
The textures.
This is a nice side-by-side here on the Steph Curry shot. So here I think we're going to have old and new split down the middle here in a moment. Are we? Maybe they showed it earlier. But look, you can go, there it is. So PS5 on the left, PS4 on the right. It's night and day.
Yeah, it looks real.
It's a big improvement here, at least for this game, for this title. But it's hard to make comparisons. The sports games are a really easy way to make a comparison because as he's done in this video, he could set up the exact same scenario and kind of do a one-to-one comparison. Mm-hmm. So you can see the improvement. It's kind of nice. And the PlayStation 5 is looking good.